Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to External Star Channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today I will be unboxing and reviewing this almost real Mercedes-Benz Brabus. Yeah, it's this G-Class 4x4 Adventure. It's in a darker gray color, and I'm really curious how this one will look like. I was looking for this one for quite some time, and I actually love all almost real models because of the quality. They are die-cast, and they are just awesome details. So I'm quite happy that today I can unbox this one. And you see there's this license by Daimler. There is also the full name here and all the details. So actually almost real is part of some models, and yeah, today it's my pleasure really to unbox this one and show you the content of this awesome box. Good, so let me first take it out and see what is actually there. Yeah, so cool. What I like or even love about almost real models, that they have this solid styrofoam box, always pretty nice, and here they have this paper which is then holding the two pieces together, the top and bottom piece, and if you just remove it, then you will easily be able to open the box. Okay, so I will also check if there are any screws. Yes, 3 screws in there, and there is also a card here. Okay, so let me carefully show it to you. And this card is actually saying that this is serial number 178 out of 500. So this is a limited series, and only 500 of this model were produced, 500 units, and I would say, yes, it's quite rare, and I expect that over the time it will actually gain some value. For me, it already has incredible value. I simply love it. Yeah, so now, for the first time in history, let me unbox it and see what is inside. Okay, so we have actually some towels here, and they look pretty nasty. Oh, is it the toilet paper used one? I'm not sure. They are not really white yet, more like yellowish, or it's just I don't know who was packing this, but it's just terrible. Okay, so now what to do next? I would need to somehow remove the screws, and okay, so for that I will again put this back, turn it upside down, and now carefully removing the screws. The good thing is that you don't need a screwdriver to really open this. There is just this plastic part that you can turn or rotate, and it should be it. Oh, I don't know how much I need to do it. So there's actually a screw built in this piece, yeah, so you don't really need a screwdriver. That's an advantage, and I really appreciate it because it's much easier to manipulate it. You don't need a screwdriver, and yeah, it's just awesome. Good, so a few more times. Okay, so that's the second one, and now the third one. Maybe sometimes the disadvantage of this method is that I I am not able to use my electric screwdriver, which I am always using to unbox models, but here it's just not possible, yeah? I don't know if I'm really doing something or not. It's not easy. Not an easy job. Jesus Christ. How much I hate this. Okay, it looks like nothing is really happening. God. So, in the beginning I was quite optimistic and I liked this. Now, not anymore. Yeah? Now I would prefer regular screws and actually I can use my screwdriver. So just let me see. I need a longer. Oh God. This is really terrible. I can't move it. Guys, this is probably the worst unboxing you have ever seen. No, I just can't move it. I'm already sweating like hell. Jesus Christ, what have I done to somebody? Okay, so let me maybe do it differently, okay? So I will now put this aside, and now, nasty. Okay, so now I will try to do it this way. Please. No way. Jesus Christ. No. Now tell me, what shall I do? Tell me. I'm already super mad. You buy a model which is like, I don't know, $250 US. It's pretty expensive. And then you receive it and you are not able to unbox it. Yeah? It's still connected to this base and it's driving me crazy because I already want to review it and there is no way I can do that. Okay, one more attempt. And the thing is that when I'm furious like that, then I easily break something, yeah? Because then I'm testing different ways how to remove it, but some of them are really dangerous. Crazy. This is driving me crazy. Crazy, crazy. I don't know what to do now. Yeah, to be honest, I don't know. Okay, so one more time. I will turn it upside down. maybe I know what happened. Here, the screw inside of this is somehow rotating, yeah? So it's not really... Ah, God. What else can I do? Okay, then I have this magic LCD screwdriver, so maybe let me test this one. No way. No. So, what I will need to do, I will probably need to cut the box right here. This is incredible, yeah, because then the value of the model will be dropping because I will destroy actually the box. And I don't want to destroy it, so... Jesus Christ. Oh, now it's so hard. So hard I can't even, yeah, you know, so maybe if you were looking forward to seeing this model, not today, because of this shitty box. So yeah, I will just show you here how it looks like, very briefly. Maybe it's nice, yeah, I like it, but you will not see any details. Today I will just not review it. So yeah, I think today I don't even have a mood to continue with this review. I'm completely frustrated, I can tell you. It never happens to me that the box would drive me so mad that I cannot take it out! Cannot take it out!